Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making Palak bhaaji or spicy sauteed spinach. You will need 4 cups of tightly packed spinach, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a tablespoon of cumin coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, chili pepper to taste, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a pinch of hing, otherwise known as asafoetida. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my spinach chopped up. Okay, I have chopped up my spinach. Now that I'm done chopping up the spinach, let's turn the stove on. I will put it on medium flame and add my oil. And my cumin seeds. I will let that heat up, and once it's heated up, the cumin seeds should start becoming brown and aromatic. The cumin seeds are starting to change color and become aromatic, so I will add my turmeric powder and my hing. And I will add my spinach. I will add my chili, my coriander-cumin powder, my garlic, and my salt. Now I will cook it. I will saute it. And close the lid. I'll stir in between. I have used baby spinach, so it gives me very little amount of food at the end. You want to let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. You can cook it up to the consistency you like. It takes usually about 5 to 10 minutes for me to make. Now the spinach is ready. I will turn the stove off and I will serve it. And dinner is served. Today I'm serving my sauteed spinach with khichdi curry, which is a mixture of rice and lentils. Be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.